You have a business in rental property industry. You've got troubles because operation inefficiency, high cost, manual process. Data is scattered in many systems that affect the strategic decision-making process of the manager. Difficult to get access with customers and improving customer experiences. Smartos is software as a service Proptech product. We offer digital transformation solutions for property management, including Smartos Property Management System, Smartos Marketplace Solution, and white-label solutions for bigger business-oriented enterprises. With Smartos, clients can automate time-consuming tasks, manage tenants, leases, and invoices in one place, track and analyze property performance, gain actionable insights to improve operations and customer satisfaction. After nearly 3 years of development, Smartos had gained some achievements. Aiming to become the leading provider of comprehensive property management software solutions tailored to meet the needs of property owners, managers, and real estate professionals. We hope to transform the future of the property management industry with Smartos. Manage properties, not paperwork. Take control, save time, and grow revenue. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration to revolutionize the way you manage property.